What's going on, everybody? It's your boy James, and today we're going to be diving into why adopting the money mindset is a game changer for small business owners that need to unlock their true success and their true potential. So stick around for this video for the next 10 minutes, and what we'll do is we'll share with you some of the things that will help you shift and transform your business in finance and also in your life. So let's get started. So what is the money mindset exactly? The money mindset is really how you view money. It's your belief, your attitude, and your habits around earning money, spending money, and growing wealth. So many small business owners, what they don't realize is that they carry a limiting belief about money. They may think that they're not good with money or they don't deserve money. But these thoughts, guys, aren't harmless and it's just an opinion, but really is far from that. It really shapes you from your action, and your action really determine your results. So if you think money is scarce, you might undercharge for your service, or you might shy away from investing in growing your business. What you want to start working on is you want to see money as a tool, and it's a tool to help you grow your business. It's a tool that allow you to create opportunity, and it's a tool for you to create a life you want. It's about confidence, it's about abundance, it's about strategy, it's about strategic thinking. Why does having a money mindset matter for a small business owner? Let's think about this for a second. And what I want to do is I want you guys to use your critical brain and start thinking as a small business owner. So running a small business is super tough and it's super stressful, and you're pretty much wearing multiple hats, right? You're a marketer, you're an accountant, you're a CEO, and every single decision you make impact your bottom line. So without a strong money mindset, you're pretty much fighting an uphill battle. Here's why. First, the money mindset gives you confidence to charge what you're worth. So often, like small business owners, they undervalue their products or their services because they're afraid of rejection, or they're just the feel of guiltiness about making profit. The truth is that you're an expert. Your time and your value deserve to be compensated fairly. A money mindset helps you set the price that reflect your worth and attract the right customer. Second, it helps you make smart financial decisions. A scarcity mindset pushes you to cut corners or avoid investing in tools like marketing or hiring for help. But a money mindset encourages you to invest in steps to grow your business. Think of having a right money mindset like planting seeds, right? You spend a lot of time planting seeds, and at the end of the day, you will harvest the seeds that you will reap. Finally, guys, a right money mindset reduces stress. Stop constantly worrying about money, because if you keep on worrying about it, it drains your energy. What it'll do is that it'll drain your creativity. When you focus on opportunities and not obstacles, that allows you to innovate and thrive. Guys, the consequences of having a poor money mindset is like pretty much flipping a coin. What happens if you don't adopt the right money mindset? We've seen from time and time again that with a small business owner, a poor money mindset can lead to underpricing, burnout. You end up working longer hours for less profit, leaving you exhausted, and it resent you from working in your business. It allows you to miss opportunities. Like, for example, you say no to investments or a partnership because you're afraid of spending too much money, even when it could help you grow your business. Stagnation. Without believing in abundance, you might settle for just getting by. I don't want that for you guys. Your business has a lot of potential, and it's a very powerful vehicle for success, but it starts with how you think about money. So how do you develop that money mindset? First, what you want to do is you want to stop worrying about it. It's not about chanting affirmations or wishing for wealth. It's about practical, actionable steps that you can start today. So here are the 4 strategies to get things going. Number 1, you want to start to shift that belief about money. Take a moment and reflect. What do you believe about money? Write down as many negative thoughts as possible. For example, money is stressful. I'll never be rich. And then you want to reframe that, right? Instead of saying money is hard to earn, try saying money flow to me when I provide value. So you want to shift that mindset. Stop focusing on the money and start focusing on providing value. This shift rewires your brain and it allows you to see possibility. So number two, what you want to do is you want to educate yourself about finances. You don't need a CPA. All you need to do is you just need to understand the basic accounting like budgeting, cash flow, profit margin is pretty much it for you guys to feel empowered. You can read books like Profit First, or you can take online courses. Knowledge is what builds confidence. So what you want to do is you want to acquire as much knowledge as possible. Number three, set bold financial goals. Guys, dream big. Instead of aiming for paying bills, what you want to do is you want to start with an exciting goal. Start with doubling your revenue, start saving for a product launch, or what you want to do is you want to break these goals into smaller actionable steps so that you can track the progress. Goals give you a direction and it motivates you to hit that direction. Number four, surround yourself with abundance thinker. Your environment matters. Connect with other small business owners who have a positive money mindset. Join a mastermind group, attend networking event, and follow inspiring entrepreneurs on platforms like X or Facebook or YouTube. Their energies and the idea will rub onto you. So guys, let me tell you a quick story and show you guys what is possible. So we met a person, her name is Sarah, and she owned a small business running a bakery. And when Sarah started, she was terrified to raise prices. And she thought that her customer would leave because she would feel guilty because she's charging more. But after working on her money mindset, she took that leap and she started raising her prices, which reflect on the quality of the customer cake. She started investing in better marketing and she started tracking her finance, and within a year she was able to double her revenue. She started hiring new staff members and her business started growing. So guys, Sarah is just one part of the money story. What you want to do is you want to charge people what you're worth, okay? It will eliminate the burnout. So here's my challenge to you guys. First, what you want to do is you want to commit to adopting the money mindset today and setting bold financial goals. Your business deserves to thrive, and so do you. So guys, if you found this video helpful, give this video a thumbs up and let us know what you think. And subscribe for more video tips and let us know how we can help you grow your business. Anyways, this is James and James and Maurice. We're going to be signing out, guys. Peace and love. Peace and love. Are you a real estate agent that is tired of wasting your time hosting open houses, doing door knocking, and cold calling for leads? We created free training on how you can add an extra $343,000 in profit a year consistently by selling new construction homes using system, automations, and internet marketing in a brand new market, all without spending more than 4 hours a day in your real estate business. Even if you're a brand new agent with little marketing budget or nobody knows who you are, all you need to do is register the link below and we'll send you the new construction class training along with the text system and email system that we currently have. Here's what you'll learn in the new construction class training. How to find your niche and position yourself as an expert in your local market so then you can be popular and dominate your competition. You'll also learn how to get an endless stream of online leads chasing you down daily. You'll also learn how to automate your business and get the best sales agent in your market to prospect leads and generate sales for you 24/7 without ever complaining, leaving you, or taking a break. We're looking for a couple of agents that we can help grow their real estate business by helping them bring their real estate business using the internet. All you need to do is click on this link and register down below and we'll send you the new construction class training. Peace and love.